Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to install ReShade on FiveM. So first thing to do is to go to any web browser and then kindly type reshade.com and then tap that one. Okay, this is what it looks like, and what you're going to do is to simply click this purple button here that says download. Tap that one and it will take you directly to this page. So you have two options. You just have to click the first one and you will see up right here that it is starting to download. Once done, click the folder and then right click and run this as administrator. Okay, tap run as an administrator. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Now, if you can't see the GTA 5 here, then you go to browse, tap browse, then it will take you directly to folder. So you have to, or if you can't see that, then you just have to locate the folder for GTA 5. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And then go to GTA 5. And if you see the GTA application, you just have to tap that one. And then here, tap the second one. Skip this part. Okay, and then here, what you're going to do is simply uncheck all and then check all again. And then after that, click next. So you have to wait for a couple of, I guess, minutes. Okay. Then once done, what you're going to do here is to simply click finish. So it will take a few minutes, so you have to wait for this. And so here it is. So tap finish. And then once you're done with this, then you can now simply type run and then click open. And then we have here person symbol, local update the person symbol. Or for easier way, you just have to go to local disk and then go to program files 86 and then go to Epic Games and locate GTA 5. And then here you can see some folders, but you just have to select or transfer four files later. So now you have to open your FiveM folder. Now locate your FiveM, open, and then this is what it looks like. Now you have to look for plugins. And then what you're going to do here is to simply drag or paste reshade shaders. Okay. And we have DXGI and reshade and also reshade presets. Okay, so first we have here reshade shaders, okay, DXGI, reshade, and reshade preset. Okay, and then once you transfer this to plugins under FiveM, you can now exit these folders and open your FiveM. And there you will see that reshade is already installed. You can skip the tutorial or you can also watch the tutorial once you open FiveM. And there you go. So I really hope this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.